Want to know how you can log out of an VMX account? Well, you are in the right place because in this video I'm going to teach you how you can simply log out of an VMX account. So first what you have to do is, if you have not watched how to create a VMX account, go watch our previous video to know how you can create a VMX account. So after you've created a VMX account, you must know how to log out. So first open your VMX app, obviously. Look around in the app. You might enjoy it for some amount of time. Then go to profile and then you will see this interface. After that, simply scroll down to the bottom and there you will see a logout option that is written in blue color. Simply click on that and confirm the logout. There you go, your account is now completely logged out. It is that easy. Make sure to like, share and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and found this helpful. Make sure you share this with your friends since they also have the brain capacity to know how to log out of VMX. Thank you. See you in the next one.